Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to change out this old dome light for a new updated pendant light. Really pretty easy to do. First we want to make sure the electricity is not there. So this is a voltage detector. Green is good, red means there's power. I turn the switch on and then back off just to show you guys it's all working. This little pendant light I got from Lowe's. You gotta separate the bracket out of the new one. Let's take out the bracket from the old one. Just get that out of place. They got some new screws there for you. So we're getting that mounting plate in. Easy peasy, no problem there. I'm loving this electric screwdriver. That really helped out this weekend. And yeah, I got some like dust and I don't know, this and that. Try to clean it up a little bit. It helped a little bit. Anyways, if you loosen that nut right there on the pendants, that allow you to pull the cord in and out to get the right height you want. Because they have enough cord there for like a 16-foot ceiling. So we're going to get rid of that extra because I got regular 8-foot ceilings. So we're going to restrip the wires, pull back the insulation, and get that ready for use. Okay, guys. Having a decent set of wire strippers is really nice to use. And here we go. Let's get this. Yeah, I wanted a little bit more, a little more stretch. Here we go. White to white, black to black. Feed the extra wire up in there. Make sure that the wires are tight with the wire nuts. And then we're just going to screw this trim plate into the mounting plate. And I was having some serious trouble with the backside here. Let me check this out. Oops. Right there. There it goes. Right into the sink. But not in the drain. I was able to get it. A few more tries, and here we go. Let's put that nice new glass shroud on and light her up. And we have a beautiful updated light fixture for the kitchen. Thank you, guys.